How to type in @ symbol on your keyboard. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily type in the @ symbol. So let's just get into it. I've got a Word document right here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can easily type in this symbol right here. It's quite easy, so let's see how you can do it. In order to type in this symbol, all you have to do is press Shift on your keyboard and then press the number 2, which right there you can also see the symbol right above 2. You can, if you just press 2, it will show 2, but if you press Shift plus 2, it will show you the @ symbol. Let me show you guys with the on-screen keyboard. I'm going to open up the on-screen keyboard, and right here, as you can see, I have the @ symbol right above 2. If I press 2, it's just going to show me 2. But if I press Shift and then 2, it's going to give me the @ symbol. This is usually used in social media to mention certain users, or it is also used to separate username with domain. So that's how you basically type in the @ symbol on your keyboard. Press Shift and then press 2. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.